Okay, let's see what is mean by software and what can anyone tell in generic meaning what is mean by software. No one knows what is mean by software. I hope everyone knows the software because every day we are using the mobiles after wake up, right? So in that we are seeing a lot of software, but still we don't
Software
know
is
what
like
is mean by
which makes software is like
yes.
which makes our lives easy
Okay.
and provide a functionality which we wanted.
Okay. Of course, what you said is correct, but in technically what we call it as software is nothing but a set of programs. Okay. In technical definition, software is nothing but it's a set of computer programs that helps us to perform tasks. Let us take an example of WhatsApp. WhatsApp is also a software. Even after wake up from the morning, simply we are seeing the mobiles messages in the WhatsApp. Is there any message in it, right? So here that WhatsApp support helps us to perform some task like sharing the status and changing the DPs, or else sharing the messages to friends and sharing the videos, right? So like that software, WhatsApp software is a collection of programs that helps us to perform particular task, that is called software. Here what is meant by program? It's nothing but coding, right? Set of instructions, right? What is meant by program? Program is nothing but we are giving some instructions to the machine how to run the task, that is called the program. Okay, if anyone asks what is meant by software, you can simply answer that software is nothing but the collection of programs or else set of programs. In mathematics, you can learn that set of numbers, right? Like that, software is nothing but set of programs. Again, they will ask what is meant by program. Is nothing but set of instructions, but because the machine can't understand the language which we understand by us, the machine will understand the machine level language. So we have to code that program in the machine level code. Okay, we are instructing the machine to perform particular task, that is called program. Clear about the what is meant by software? Software is a set of programs. Program is a set of instructions. That is meant by software. And we are having the types of software. Let's see what are the types. The types of softwares are three types. The first one is system software, second one is programming software, and third one is application software. Okay, here system software is nothing but let's almost all people join from laptop, right? Almost 4 people join from laptop. In your laptop, you are having some OS servers, some utility softwares, some device drivers softwares, right? So for example, if you want to connect Wi-Fi to your laptop, you need Wi-Fi driver. If you want to connect a printer to your laptop, you need printer driver. If you want to connect scanner to your laptop, you need scanner driver. All these drivers are system softwares. If you want to do some task on your laptop, you should have basic utility softwares. That is called system softwares. And coming to the programming softwares is nothing but where you give the set of instructions, where you code the application, where you code the software. I think if you are coming from whatever BTech or else graduation degree, in that course they learn that C++ languages, right? In the lab sessions where you have written, there is some compilers, there is some debuggers, there is some interpreters to run or to check your codes, right? Those are called programming softwares. For example, just go to Chrome and search the online compilers for Java or Python or C or C++. You are getting the list of softwares to run your course in online. All those softwares is called as programming softwares. Clear? We are done with system software and we are done with programming software. And what is the application software? Application softwares are, we are seeing mobile applications in your mobile, right? Like you are having Amazon, Flipkart, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. All these applications are comes under the application software. Coming to the web applications also we are having the lot of websites, right? Let's take an example of some, what I can say, www.countrydelight.com. Like that, we are having set of applications like www.ghmc.com, www.hmdl.com. Like that, we are having the government websites, or else we are having some private business, zomato.com, swiggy.com, like that. All these web applications also will comes under the application software. And third one is desktop application. Just now we are discussing, right? In this window, we are having this Eclipse on my taskbar. This is desktop application. We are seeing this Word, MS Word, that is also desktop application. We are seeing the go-to meetings, that is also website com desktop applications. This is Notepad. This is also desktop application. That is about the application software. Total, how many softwares are there? Can someone tell now? How many types of softwares are there in the industry?
Three types of
Three
softwares.
types.
What are they?
System software,
System
programming
software,
software,
programming
application
software, and application software.
Okay, good. Okay. Whenever I'm asking the question, please try to answer because it helps a lot at the time of interview. Okay, for example, just now explain what is meant by software and what are the types. If you answer to the question which I asked, it will help you at the time of interview. At the time of interview also, what is meant by software, simply they will ask. If you are experienced candidate, then they will not ask the question simply what is software. But if you are recently graduated, or else if you are recently joined to the any IT industry, then they will ask the simple questions only, because they will test you whether you are having the basic knowledge about the software terms, right? So at that time you have confidence. Yes, I answered at the time of learning the course with the tutor. That confidence will help you to answer the question at any question. If you even don't know the answer in that interview, you are trying to answer, because at that time the interviewer sees your confidence also. Not only you are telling the correct answer or not. At that time they will check your confidence also. Based on the confidence also, many people are selected as a freshers. So please try to answer. And this is about the software and types of software.